Hey family, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating. Yo, we did that Captain D's.
Captain D's, stuff in our face.
You know when we doing this, you know we on the road. You already know what it is already. So you know we in the Captain D's, you know? This is my first time eating it, you know?
Oh yeah.
I never ate it because I already ate when I ate with the food that I bought at the restaurant.
That's true.
So this is my first time, and this is the first day, the second time, because you know we went to Georgia, we ate it before. So far, family, this is banging. Let me see what I got. I got the battered dip fish, I guess. French fries, you know me already.
With extra fries.
Extra fries. I heard the lady said extra fries in the bathroom.
Really? And then I got the catfish meal. With, it's hot.
It is hot. Show them, you got it?
With rice, broccoli, and string beans. Ooh.
Family, we're gonna do it in the car. Oh God, they see these people right here and me saying we're gonna do it in the car. Not like that. We were gonna take mine. We were gonna see.
That's a smaller one. Give me half of that, baby. I need that. Yeah.
Let's say what half, you know. Yeah. So family, we're gonna do the video in the car, but we like, you know what? It's early. There ain't nobody here, so might as well. The French fries is just right. Nice and crunchy.
I hope you guys can see everything.
Oh, so too. But you can see where you're going in the mouth.
It's hot.
It is hot. But listen, let me know if you have this around y'all. It is good.
How did you guys like our non-talking video?
I know. Yeah, I know somebody I didn't like that. But yeah, sometimes, you alright? I know. Be careful, man.
I'm hungry.
Sometimes, you know, we just want to come down and mess up that food, you know? But
You guys know I love me some catfish now.
she hooked, catfish hooked now. But you know, that's how it goes sometimes, family. Sometimes, you know, you just in that moment when you just want to eat. But as I can see, we enjoyed it. And I was trying to tell you to take some too. Yeah, I didn't want to take none. Yo, hot one?
Hot like fire. He literally just took it off the stove and handed it to us.
Take a bite. All right. Make it help yourself today. It is hot. You didn't even get a napkin over there.
I wonder what kind of fish this is.
I don't know what it is, but they're good. I don't know what it is, but they're good though. You bit churned already?
Yeah. I want it. Oh, you have one.
Oh, yeah. Got these. Hush puppies?
Hush puppies.
Yeah. Take a hush puppy with us.
It's good.
This is good. When I was driving, first it was tearing it up. I said, God damn. I have to come try some of this. So where we was at, they have it. And we said, yeah, we're gonna make a video of this. Yeah. You alright?
Hot man.
Their food is hot, family.
Even when I had it in the car.
But it's hot, but guess what? It's seasoned.
Seasoned good. Seasoned good. Listen, we didn't let that girl when we was in Georgia. Did we tell them the story with the girl? Oh, we didn't even tell you guys the story.
Well,
I went to Captain D's the first time and the people said they don't have. They were stressing us out and we had to go somewhere else. We did. I think we did. I don't remember.
We tell them so much things.
So much stuff.
This is good.
Wait a minute. Why is catfish so hard to find?
I don't know.
We can't find it.
We gotta catch them when we go fishing.
Yeah.
And just fillet them. That's it.
I feel like
what?
I feel like you would tear up a catfish when you're frying it. Because you use a cornmeal batter.
My french fries, you taste the french fries then? Nice, and salty, you know?
It's salty?
Using salt in it. Family. This is a go. Their food is seasoned. If you ever had Captain D's, y'all let me know. Comment down. We know we don't be capping. Look at that bite. The tartar sauce. There you go. Hot, you know?
Hot like fire.
Wow. I see why you wanted to come back here again.
Yeah, it was good.
I see that.
I don't know what kind of batter that is, but it's good.
Yeah.
You see, Long John Silver's was like this, but I don't.
Then look.
They closed down?
Ain't they closed down? Long John Silver? No. They have a port out here.
Oh yeah, in Oakland Park. When you guys eating fish, where you dip your stuff in? Because I'm doing tartar sauce with hot sauce.
It doesn't matter because it goes to the same place.
Oh gosh.
Right?
Let me get it?
Yeah.
No, I got it. There's another guy over there, and he came in here, he was yelling for his food.
Mad loud.
But he's sweet though.
Another guy. He's tearing it up too.
That's how it looks. You see?
It's so good.
I feel like every time I'm on the camera.
You know, Star? I like it.
Captain D's? Me too.
I'll eat it again whenever I see it anywhere. How could you go wrong with fish? Right, family? How could you go wrong with fish? Come on now.
This catfish that I had here today at Captain D's, it's good. The one that I had on the road was better.
For real?
Because the way how they fry it, or the batter that they use, I don't know.
Oh. That joint hot though, B.
He was very nice though.
Oh, the guy?
Yeah. He let me go in the kitchen.
I heard you say you didn't have a
You heard me? I said, I don't have to hear that on.
A big mango.
But I still got at the door.
They're very nice here. Very good.
This is good. I like the Louisiana hot sauce.
Good, right?
I've never had that before.
You know, buy one? How's the broccoli and stuff? Oh yeah, it was not on top of broccoli.
You can't taste that part because I have pork in it. You can yum the broccoli though.
No, no. I've been spotted that from my Cayman family. I saw the greens had pork in it. She told me I had turkey. No, turkey from pork in it. This is good. You alright? Come on, get up and push up the chair. You want a piece of my fish? Oh.
The fact that, I still have mine right here. The fact that the food, we're eating it and it's still hot. And how long we've been recording?
12 minutes and change.
And the food is still hot. To the point where I have to still go, come on.
This is a go. That's a day where it's just relaxing. You know? You gotta do that sometime, you know?
Yeah. This is not Fast Food Friday.
It's not Fast Food Friday, I mean. I told you we're running errands. You know, anytime we're running errands and you're still eating food on the road, we're doing errands. So it's a beautiful day outside today. It feels like 110 degrees.
QT.
So the girl didn't tell me.
You can't even see my face.
Yo, so how you want me to drink the juice?
Face too.
How you want me to drink
You
juice?
drink juice with that hand, not with this hand.
Yo, you can't tell me to drink my juice in my youth. So when I'm eating, look, when I'm eating, what's the difference? If you don't see your face every day, I'm very good.
Do you like this too?
What? I like it, but I don't fancy it.
No fancy it? It's good. But same way. I just want the fish. To be honest, I don't even need no fries. Just give me the fish with tartar sauce and a piece of bread.
Next time you're gonna start the sandwich.
Yeah. I was going to, but the sandwiches only come on the battered with the battered fish, and since I never had it before, but now I know it's good. Next time I'm getting me a sandwich.
Better be him.
Remember when we was inside the other store, other Captain D's, and I was ordering the food. The guy had a battered fish sandwich, and the fish was hanging out of the bread. Like,
so that's not the one. Yeah. So what? Which one I got? I thought it was that I was gonna get.
that's what you got, but because it's in a sandwich, they give you, I guess they give you a longer
Yeah.
They give him a longer piece.
That joke was long, dude. Okay.
It was that long. He would have to take at least 5 bites before he actually gets to the bread. That's how long the fish was.
Probably. Now it's getting packed in here. It's lunchtime.
We started at the right time. We came as soon as they opened.
They came at the right time. So everybody coming here now. But yeah, I will eat this again. If I have one around where you're at, I will try it, definitely.
Yep.
So go.
What is this? Oh, they put that on there. Oh,
Seasoning.
this the crunch. I guess so that
You want to burn to it?
yeah. That's what I was trying to say.
This was good, yo. This was good.
It's so light and airy too.
It was good.
So listen, we had to do that to you guys.
I really don't like it, but we have to. Sometimes you just want to taste that food, taste the flavor,
And just eat.
and just eat. Yeah, I know what we're talking about.
A few times I forgot that they was even there.
I know.
God
I
damn.
was just Indian. For me,
Oh,
this was good for me.
put this in there.
Anyway, that's it. You take it?
Ooh, pig.
Let me see. Well done. You know that's you know what you do already.
They don't expect anything less from me.
You too. So yeah, from that day, I have enough for my youth. You want to take that sauce them too?
Yeah, and try the sauce for sauce in there. Oh, that's
Drop
it?
it. No, that's not. I dropped it.
Oh.
That's all sauce? Wow, some more sauce.
So right there.
Wow, we got a lot of Louisiana sauce. And now I left them, you know?
Yes.
I left them family. Now we pay for them. All right, family.
Thanks for hanging out with us while we do our errands.
Thanks for hanging out, you know, a lot all the time, you know. We appreciate that, but you know how it is already. This is the time, you know. We gotta say, you know.
This is the time we gotta say what? Bye.